What's up? What's up, you guys? This is that video that everybody else posted like 5 days ago, kind of reflecting on 2023 and then talking about 2024. I've been so busy, I haven't been able to film that video, so that's what I'm doing right now. And one thing that I've been frustrated about is lack of consistency with content just because, I got too busy, couldn't do it. No, it's like terrible excuse. So that's why I'm frustrated with it. So open up the laptop. We're filming that video right now. We're going to post it right after. 2023, quick reflection, was a crazy year. It was a year that I didn't think was possible. It seems like over the last 3 years, I've just doubled my income. And I've been in the online space since 2017. Copywriting, email marketing, Facebook ads, theme page. Like I've tried a lot of stuff and I've learned how different things work. And it wasn't until 2022 when I started to take off with it. 2023 is just, it's 6 years in the making, you know? So I would say the difference, 2021 is when I got into sales. And then 2022, I got into a better sales vehicle, which was going from in-person to remote. And then 2023, I paired the sales ability and the knowledge of the online business agency coaching space, paired it with other skills that I had learned, like management and building teams and hiring and building systems and processes and community and social media and creating content and all that kind of stuff, communication. So 2023 is where all that stuff came into this big melting pot, and that's basically what my year looked like. I haven't been an individual sales rep for somebody since about mid 2023, and now I'm running community and I'm running my agency where we're managing multiple teams. So 2023, I moved cities, I shaved my face, I got a new hat, or it's like the old hat that I had, but it's a new version of it. My dog already bit it. It was a year where I think everything just kind of came together. I think if you spend enough time and put enough effort towards this stuff, there's no way it doesn't work. If you're meeting the right people, I will say in 2022, one thing that I focused on was meeting the right people. And honestly, building on social media so that those people could come to me. And so between people coming to me and me going out to people, 2023 wouldn't have been possible without me meeting the people that I did in 2022. And 2024, we'll talk about projections in a bit, would surely not be possible. So if you take anything from my last year, you guys have heard the whole you leave your hometown, bro. You're never going to make it if you stay in your hometown. It's kind of not true. But I did leave my hometown and I came to Austin, and it has helped me excel things, I believe, faster than if I would have stayed in my hometown. So that's a big thing. If you're in this space, man, move to a hub of where other people are doing this. So Scottsdale, Austin, Miami, maybe Tampa. That's really it. Just everywhere else, I don't even know why you live there. So move where other people are doing this, because doing this in San Antonio, where I'm from, it's difficult. Everyone else is just on their own route, and nothing wrong with that. But you surround yourself with guys who are doing what you want to do. Yes, it's going to happen. So go somewhere where your people are. Huge turning point in 2023 for me. And that's about it. It was a great year. It was a year, again, that I didn't think was possible. And it was because of just all the skills that I've been stacking. I put them together, put them to use, and built something for myself. So now talking about 2024, one thing that I have been running over the course of the last year is like it started as like a recruiting thing, and then it kind of turned into like a sales agency where we do management and coaching, or we could do just recruiting, or we could build systems. But I partnered with somebody who has a similar background to me that I met in 2022 through the online space. Some of you guys, if you've been around for some time, you may know the guy. I'm not going to dox too hard, but the past 2 months I've been so insanely busy working on client stuff with him, my YouTube stuff, taking a dip, my TikTok taking a dip, Twitter dip, content has dipped, and I'm getting pissed off about it. That's why I'm filming this video. 2024, between both businesses could definitely make a lot of money. I think the agency alone could make $1 million if everything goes halfway right. We have a bunch of clients right now, some B2C coaching services. We have a B2B client running cold email, cold calling. We're in talks with a software company with equity there. So on the agency side alone, that could be $1 million a year. So I partnered with this guy, and let me talk about this a little bit, because one thing that coming through 2023, I kept finding myself frustrated about is I felt like there was just never enough time in the day to do the things that needed to be done. And the further I got into things, the more that just started to like balloon. And I was working a lot. Like 2023, I worked probably more than the past 2 years combined. And yes, I was making progress, but relative to other people who are doing crazy numbers, like I wasn't quite there. So talking about the partnership, that is something that I wish I would have found sooner, maybe for my community. But now, I have it for the agency. Community is still me. But the reason we decided to partner up together is we both have a similar background. We're sales guys who have our own businesses, and he's definitely more of like front end sales guy, communication, that kind of thing, and then I'm more back end systems operations. But we both understand sales and this type of sales, like the online stuff, at a pretty high level. And so we're like, I don't know, man, let's take a stab at it. So far, he brought some clients to the table. I brought some clients to the table. It's been awesome. 2024 is going to be one for the books. Now, some other projections or some other goals. Would love to get back in like just peak physical state. Not even for just looking good in photos or anything like that, but really for like the mental side of it. I'll be able to do better within the business if that is just completely off my mind. So, or the idea of not reaching my potential, by that distracting me, I would not be as good in business. So I would like to eliminate the idea of me not being content there. May or may not buy some real estate towards the end of the year. Trying to stay, cash heavy so we can extend the runway for each of these businesses and just get them where we need them and want them to be. May buy some real estate. We'll probably stay in Austin. Great city. Would love to meet more people, business owners. If you're ever in Austin and you're doing anything cool, hit me up. I think 2024 is really the year of execution, taking the work ethic that I've learned. I'll say in 2023, I think I learned how to work, how to execute upon tasks within a certain time frame without anybody telling me I need to do so. It's a different kind of work than like going and clocking in and getting your paycheck. So I think it's going to be a lot of that. I'm probably going to work harder than I did in 2023, but I should come out the other end in a much better spot. Financially, mentally, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Probably should make an effort to like touch grass more. So, yeah, guys, I think that's it. 2023 was a crazy year. I didn't think it was possible. It happened, and that is setting the precedent for 2024, which it should be another crazy year just based on how things are looking right now today. So if you guys, if you're me in 2017 or you're me in 2021, and you know you want to get into the online space, and maybe you have a skill, maybe you don't, but you think you could do sales. But dude, I'm not a natural sales guy. But that was the vehicle I identified as, what was going to get me where I wanted to be. So if you made it this far and you are that person and you want to go remote, you want to get a sales job, you think you could be good at sales, there's going to be some stuff in the description for you. Check it out. Have a look. I've been running a community last year and a half. That might interest you. But other than that, guys, 2024 is about to be one for the books. To the boys watching this, let's get after it. And I'm exhausted, and I'm going to cut this video now. So thank you for watching. Also, comment down below what kind of content you want to see for 2024. Educational stuff doesn't really do that great on YouTube. I know some of that is good. Entertainment stuff, like day in the life, my best video. I'm not going to be doing daily day in the lives. But yeah, you guys comment below what you want to see, and I'm going to make it. So thank you for watching. 2024 is about to be crazy. Let's go.